Are you tired of trying to save money the traditional way? Introducing the power of AI-based savings accounts. These accounts use advanced algorithms and machine learning to help you save more money faster. Today I'm going to introduce you to 3 of the most popular AI-based saving accounts on the market: Albert, Digit, and Capital. First up, we have Albert. This AI-based savings account analyzes your spending habits and automatically sets aside money for you to save. You can even set up different savings goals, such as a vacation or a down payment on a house. Albert also offers cashback rewards on certain purchases so you can save even more. Next up, we have Digit. This AI-based savings account monitors your income and expenses and automatically transfers small amounts of money into a savings account for you. This way, you won't even notice when the money is missing from your checking account. Digit also offers a feature that allows you to set up a savings goal, such as a vacation or a down payment on a house. Last but not least, we have Capital. This AI-based savings account allows you to set up a different savings goal and automatically sets aside money for you to save. Capital also offers an easy-to-use mobile app that allows you to manage your savings on the go. Additionally, Capital offers different savings plans such as roundup savings and spending rules, which can help you save more money faster. So there you have it. Give Albert, Digit, or Capital a try and start saving more money faster. These AI-based savings accounts are designed to make saving money easier and more efficient. With their advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities, they can provide you with personalized advice and recommendations that are tailored to your specific financial situation. Don't let saving money stress you out any longer. Give these AI-based savings accounts a try and see the difference they can make in your life. With their automatic savings features and customizable savings goals, you'll be on your way to reaching financial goals in no time. So take control of your finances and start saving smarter with AI-based savings accounts today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and finance. And don't hesitate to leave a comment with your thoughts on AI-based savings accounts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.